Hi there! Today we're gonna make Trileçe. The sponge cake is filled with milk, and on the cake we spread whipped cream and caramel sauce. We use 8 eggs at room temperature. Put the eggs and a half cup of sugar in a bowl. Mix them with a mixer for about 10 minutes until they get white and thick. If you are a smaller number of people, make with half of this recipe. We use 5 grams of vanilla. If you don't have it, no need to use it. 10 grams of baking powder and 1 cup of flour. Drain them and mix with a spatula. Pour into the cake mold. My mold is 25 centimeters wide and 35 centimeters long. Bake 20 to 30 minutes in 170 degrees Celsius, that is about 340 degrees Fahrenheit. This cake is cooked earlier than other cakes. Cooking time is different depending on ovens, so if the surface of the cake is cooked but the inside is not cooked, lower the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake. The cake is cooked, let it cool down. Make some hold with toothpick. Pour 3½ cups of milk and 1 cup of fresh milk. On top of that, spread whipped cream. Let it cool down in refrigerator for 1 hour or so until the cream gets solid. Now we make the caramel sauce. Put 1 cup of sugar on a pan. Never mix the sugar until it starts to melt into brown color. Then add 4 tablespoons of butter. Add 400 milliliters of fresh milk. Mix until brown and creamy. Let it cool down about 10 minutes. Pour the caramel sauce on the cake and spread. Make thin lines with whipped cream. I didn't draw even lines, but you can do it better. Use a toothpick and wave the lines. Let it cool down in the fridge and cut with a wet knife. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in another video.